everyone, I have a quick video today. It's just a test to see if you need this. There's several copies of these already. The Revlon one is the most popular one. I have the Bedhead version, which is basically the brush and the blow dryer combo. So I wanted to see if you would need it if you have naturally straight hair. Again, this is specifically for people who have naturally straight hair, because when I bought this because everyone was raving about it, you know, but when I blow dry my hair, I usually just need a regular blow dryer because my hair dries straight. So I'm going to show you guys what it looks like with just a regular blow dryer and then using this one on one side. Before I blow dry my hair, I'm just going to use this oil that I got from Dermae. It's a bonding oil. It's actually really nice. So I'll just do a few drops in my hand, rub it together, and I'm just going to see this area is still pretty damp in my hair. My hair really, really shiny. It usually takes me no time at all to blow dry my hair with a regular blow dryer, but I feel like using this takes a little bit longer, so we'll time at all. So this is what this side of my hair looks like, and then I'm gonna do the other side of my hair with the regular blow dryer. This is the before of my hair with it, and then this is the after of using that one. So that took half the time that it would normally. So as far as the results, this is the side with the brush and blow dryer combo. I think my hair still looks pretty straight, and I think it dried really nice. I think the main advantage of that one is that you can style your hair, like you can flip it or whatever, and then add a little bit of more personality to your hair, I guess. And then this side is just the regular blow dryer. And again, I have naturally straight hair, so when I blow dry my hair, it just sits really straight. So as far as the results go, blow drying my hair with just a regular blow dryer took no time at all, because I usually just blow dry my hair like really quickly and it dries really fast. And I felt like using the device actually took a little bit longer because it's, you know, you have to brush it through the rest of your hair. And the one thing I don't like is that when I dry my hair, I want to make sure that this area closer to my scalp feels dry, because I hate feeling that it's still a little bit wet, because the brush doesn't really like get to that area. That I felt like the blow dryer has a bit more advantage, because it just kind of like it dries from root to tip, and that's what I want. So that is it for my little quick demo review, I guess, for the day, to see how your hair would fare if you have naturally straight hair. Let me know if you guys found this helpful. Again, if it wasn't for the hype, I probably wouldn't need to purchase that device, because I honestly don't need it. Again, as far as to conclude the video, if you have naturally straight hair, I would say you don't really need. I feel like it's a little bit more high maintenance, especially if you have naturally straight hair and you blow dry your hair, it just sits pretty straight. I felt like with the brush blow dryer combo, it's a lot more high maintenance and just took me a little bit longer. So that is it for this video. Let me know if you guys found this helpful, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!